Welcome to Antra Zook. Today we are gonna be making this amazing dish called RUI MAACH BHAAPE. To start with, let's talk about the fish. I have used Bengal carp or RUI MAACH for this recipe, but this recipe can be made with a ton of other fishes as well. You can pick your choice. Yes, this is a very unique recipe which uses coriander leaves and green chilies, and its beautiful soft texture is gonna win your heart. Let's start. So the first thing you need to do is marinate the fish in salt and turmeric powder. Both of these things are to taste, so feel free to just kind of give in one pinch of salt for each and every fish along with another pinch of turmeric, and smear it properly over each and every piece and keep it for 30 minutes or more. The first ingredient which goes inside a mixer grinder jar to make the masala would be some green chilies and coriander leaves. This needs to be ground into a fine paste. Now I'm going to take it out in a small bowl and put in 2.5 teaspoons of mustard powder. I'm going to keep it covered and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I had already soaked up some poppy seeds in warm water. I'm gonna give it a good strain and put it in the mixer grinder jar as well as the mustard and green chili and coriander paste. Give it a mix. Now in that little bowl there, I'm gonna add in some water followed by salt and turmeric powder to taste and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it and put it in the mixer grinder jar along with the rest of the masala and grind everything to a fine paste. Now take a steel bowl which can easily fit into a steamer and pour a tablespoon of oil on the bottom. Smear it around very well. Now place all the 5 pieces of fish in a neat row and pour over the masala mix. Massage each and every piece well with the masala mix. Now top it up with some slit green chilies. I normally do a ratio of 1 green chili for 1 piece of fish, but the green chili is up to taste here. And follow it up with another tablespoon of cold pressed mustard oil. Just take the pains of evenly distributing it over all the pieces. It's ready to steam now. Steam cook this fish for 20 minutes. And after that, look at this mesmerizing dish. The smell of it. Oh, the mustard is zingy and tangy at the same point of time, and the coriander kind of balances it out, and the fish, oh my god, so soft, so supple. It's the perfect weekend dish to make. Cheers.